the Formnext because it's the place to be in additive manufacturing if you think about the next level of manufacturing. This year's Formnext, we are ready to make you ready for industrial grade AM implementation. Our TÜV SÜD game-changing services are enabling the step from RP to AM and above to industrial grade implementation of AM solutions. Three highlights which we are showing is our DIN spec 17071 for all additive manufacturers, our showcase study to digital part certification, and the certified network of suppliers. Our industrial AM-ready approach is collaborative and based on standards. So that's why the DIN spec 17071 was developed with Deutsche Bahn, MT Aerospace and Siemens. And together we make a standard fundamentally important for the industry. Welcome to visit us at our